Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my channel. ChatGPT plugins is not just a new cool feature. It's a game changer in how we hunt down, process, and analyze information. In the previous video, I said that plugins could be a solid reason to buy a subscription. But now, having had the chance to try this feature by myself, I can say, yeah, they have turned the whole subscription thing into must have. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the plugins feature, how to add plugins, how to work with them, and I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite plugins for now, but it's not a top, so just a list. Don't expect it to be very best plugin number 1 and number 5. No, it's just a list. It's just a list of plugins that I use and I think that you can use them too. So let's dive in. Okay, so first of all, how to activate plugins. If you have subscription, you go here and then go to settings. So here we have beta features, and plugins is one of the beta features that we have. We have plugins and browse with Bing. I'll do another video on Bing, but for this one, we just need to turn on plugins, just like this. So after you turned it on, you can go back and just start a new chat, go switch to GPT-4, and then you can select plugins right here. I already have one of the plugins selected, but for you, you just click here and you go select plugin store. It's the place where you can search for and try different plugins. So a few things to know. Some of the plugins are free, some have a cap on how many times you can use them, and they will ask you to buy additional subscription to keep using them. To use some of the plugins, you might need an account with a third party. Like for example, with this one, Playlist AI, it creates Spotify playlists for any prompt, but if you click on that plugin, it will ask you to open Spotify and log in with your Spotify account. I don't use Spotify, and that's why I can't use this plugin, unfortunately, but if you do, you can try it out. So before showing you the plugins, I just want to mention a few things that I don't like about this plugins feature. First, there is no search bar, as you can see, and if you click all plugins, you can see that we have over 20 pages, or yeah, 20 pages. If I want to find this Ask Your PDF plugin, I need to click actually all the pages like this, or use the next button to actually find it. I think that it will be fixed because it looks like an easy fix to me. But now without the search bar, it's just a disaster. Now to install a plugin, let's just install, any plugin that you want. You just click install. For example, let's install this one, Word Sneak, and then you can click here installed and see all the plugins that you have installed, and the order of these plugins, it's not alphabetical order, it's not from the newest to the latest order. To me it looks random and it doesn't help. Anyway, it's the first place where you can find installed plugins. And the second place is you click here and you have the list of all your installed plugins here. To activate a plugin, you need to click like this and you can see the check mark. The cool thing is you can actually activate 2 or more plugins at once and use them together. Although it doesn't always work very good, it's worth trying. Another thing is you can see a little bit of description for each plugin that we have, but it does not explain enough, really, like how to use you. So what I've done, for example, for this SEO plugin, I found a post that the developers made, and here you can see a few examples of how this plugin can be used. And that's the only way, at least that's the only way that I found that can help you actually understand how the plugin works. Well, I mean, of course, there are a few simple plugins like weather, and maybe you don't need a lot of explanation about that. But for other plugins, they're just strange. Okay, and now let me show you a few plugins that I'm using. First is WebPilot right here. So what WebPilot does, it browse and QA web page, PDF, and data, generate articles from one or more URLs. So basically, you can use this plugin to do a web page summary or browsing a web page. So you're gonna check this box and then send a message as usual. I'm probably gonna use the same page that I've showed you. It's from OpenAI community. So I'm gonna copy this link and just give the link. Of course, we can give it some instructions, but I'm just going to show you how it looks like when you're using plugins. So you can see it shows us what plugin ChatGPT uses, and now this is the information from the using the plugin. What it is doing now, it summarized the page, and this is what this plugin is for. For example, it's too long. Let's do just for a simple summary. Or we can say summarize in one sentence and give him the same link. And here is your summary. Okay, next one is Visla. And Visla is a plugin that creates a short video from public stock footage based on your specific topic. It really works interesting. So let me show you. I'm gonna select Visla, create a video about road rage. We're gonna wait a few minutes. Okay, and here is our video. We're gonna use this link, and it's gonna take a few minutes. Let's take a look.
Road rage is a phenomenon that affects many drivers on the road. It can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as traffic congestion, aggressive driving, and personal stress. In this video, we will explore the causes of road rage and provide tips for avoiding.
So you got the idea. So this is the video. We didn't give much of the information, so it's just, basic footages. We have watermark, and you can see that watermarks will be removed for Visla Premium users. So in case you want to use it, you need to pay. But overall, it works pretty good. Okay, to the next plugin. This next one is called DeployScript, and this is kind of not my field thing, but I think it's very important because this plugin can create code for fully functioning apps. And I'm not a developer, but I think a lot of you guys can find it helpful. For example, let's just create a script that changes button color when pressed from red to green. Okay, so it took a few seconds, but now we can use this link, and here is the button. So let's press it, and yeah, I told him to change the color only once, so he did the job. I keep calling plugins and ChatGPT he because that's just how I feel, okay? Don't judge me. Another plugin that I want to show you is Speechki, and this is the easiest way to convert text to ready-to-use audio. It's really that simple. So I'm gonna select Speechki and just insert some kind of text. This is a sentence from my last video. Jeez, I know. I just want to voice over this. Just voice it. Oh no, it's not possible to earn up to $1,000 per second. No. Okay, anyway, here is the voiceover. I'm gonna click the link.
I'm sorry, but it's not possible to earn up to $1,000 per second using ChatGPT or any other AI technology.
Okay, so it did the voiceover for ChatGPT's response. But it doesn't matter. You understand the idea, right? So you just give it a text, and using this plugin, you can have the voiceover. And plugin number 5 is called Website Performance. And what it does, it analyzes websites. So it can be very useful for SEO, for any online business that you have. If you want to analyze your website, you can use this tool. So, for example, I gave him the link, and here is the response. So we have a few metrics, scores, and opportunities for improvement. And I want to show you a bonus plugin, which is meme generator. So the funny thing is you can give him a template. For example, here you can see it uses the Direct Hotline Bling template, and it creates a meme for us. Or here, asked to create a meme about Monday morning, and yeah, Monday morning not impressed. Sometimes it doesn't work that good because you can see Sunday morning, Sunday evening, Monday morning. No, that doesn't sound right to me. Let's try something else. About people who watch YouTube all the time. It's about you guys. Let's see. So again, I didn't give him a template, so it's just gonna use some random template. Doing productive things, watching YouTube all day. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So let's try another template. Use other template. Okay, me watching YouTube all day. This is fine. Okay, yeah, I love that. I love that. And they say that ChatGPT doesn't have a sense of humor. Now it does. Yeah, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to click the thumb up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite plugins? And maybe I will create a video about your favorite plugin next week. I'll see you there. Bye.